That's the last trade of the day. I turned it back on. The last one was, I think, $7,700. I did 2,400 overnight, 7,700 during the day. I switched over to the June contract because I was running the March contract, and I wanted to make sure that I was fine on the June, and so I turned it on, and this is where I am right now, 38.66.28 plus 350 unrealized. So if I wanted, I could bring this stop up. This is untouched, so all of the trades and stuff are just what they are. Um, we had several trades through here, and I'll go over those here in a minute. I'm going to wait till this one closes out by itself. I have not touched any of the trades. They have actually entered and exited on the bot only. I have not touched them. And so we'll see where this goes. This is after 4 o'clock. I usually don't trade after 4. I went ahead and let it run just to see. I'll go ahead and pause it after this one. I don't want to run after this because usually 4:15 it just dies down, and I just don't like the trade. So usually by 4 o'clock I'm done. I'm usually done by 3:30 Eastern time. That is when I talk times as Eastern time. So right now we can actually close this out and be over $4,000 for this last few hours. And I may just go ahead and do that just to close it. Let's see if we can pop up. I like for it to go up and hit that one. And if I can, I'll probably just go ahead and close it out at that point. So we'll watch it here just a few more minutes. Stealer bot does a good job. Sometimes you'll see a visual come up like this, but the trade will disappear. So it'll remove the trade, and then all of a sudden you'll come back to it or something. So occasionally you will get a visual, but it's not what it should be. Just like this one here, the visual popped up, but as you can see, this is where the entry would be. The bar did not get up there. It disappeared, but the visual stayed. Occasionally that will happen, but it's nothing to be concerned about. It wouldn't have even entered the trade there. This one down here, this one, the signal disappeared on it as well, but it left the visual. Usually it does not do this. It'll usually go away. May have to research that and find out why it's doing that. But it doesn't cause any issues with the trading. So waiting on this one to close out. Stealer bot, see, I have to call just for numbers, say be 8, 12, 14, a little over $14,000 that Stealer bot made today. That's for the whole session. Actually, not even the whole session, because I think I turned it on before I went to bed last night. So I ran this one overnight. I don't recommend that to anybody, but I did. I recommend everybody to watch the bots, watch them trade. Depends on your account what you can afford. Because if it goes against you or something happens, you've got to be able to handle that. If you got a small account, I would never advise that. So this is why I don't trade after 4. I think if that pushes up here real close, I'm just going to go and bring my stop up so we can close this out for the day. And we'll go ahead and put it right there just in case. This is the only time I moved this stop on the bot. So there we took profit there. We're paused 41.23.12. Let's go over the trades. Let's see what it did here. Let's see the first one. We'll count out the losers, and I don't think there's any back here. No, that was the old one. So I'll turn it back. So here we've got 1, 2, 2, 1, 1 being bad, 3, 4, you got 5, 5, 1. This would actually, if I was watching, we would have actually been break even on that. So we'll call it, we'll just, 5's, it's really both. So we'll call it 6-2. You got a loser and a winner. 6-2, 7-2, 8. So you got 8 wins and 2 losses, and we will go down into here. And this is our trade on it. We had a total loss of $1,100. Max drawdown was 841. We had a winning percentage of 80%. We've got a profit factor of 4.7. All good numbers. You can see it plain as day. This is trading live, so it's not any kind of analyzer or anything, because the analyzers are always wrong. So this one right here actually worked out really well. And I think this morning we had one loss before I reset it. I think it's what we had. It's in a YouTube video. You can watch it. But this is what we did today. So let's do a screenshot of that and post that in the Discord. Bear with me here a second. Say afternoon. So the StealerBot does really well. If you're interested in it, you can go to my website. I'll show you where it is. I have been doing this all day. I've posted a lot of videos today. If you're interested, go up here to SpyBot Auto Trading Bot. And you scroll down. This tells about everything about it. It does include all of the bots. And also, if the bots have their own indicator, so you don't have to buy anything to make them work. If you want to use a certain indicator on a different bot, you have to buy the indicator. We have 6 courses: setup, download, perimeter, settings, training videos, and webinars. And I'm going to do a training video tonight on Stealer. So if you lease the bot here in just the next, well, before 8 o'clock tonight Eastern time, then you'll get to do it. There's some videos you can watch of StealerBot. And then you come down to the bottom. Right here's the lease. There is a setup fee, but you really don't need it. I'll tell you what to do in here. It's not that hard. But once you do this, if you still can't do it, let me know, and then I can remote in. It does cost $400 for it, and to get it set up, but you really don't need it. And anyway, go up to the contact page if you want to talk to me. If you got any questions, you click on contact. You can send them right here. If you need me to talk to you, then put your phone number and what time's the best for you. For Discord, that's where you can learn a lot about what we're doing. Click the Discord up here, and this will open up. You click your disclaimer, click Start Membership. It's a free Discord. There's no fee. And so come on in, take a look, see what you think. We've got a lot of products up here that you can purchase. One of the main ones that a lot of people are making money today on, as far as mainly scalping, is they're doing the fish strategy. So if you want to purchase the fish strategy, watch this video and they'll tell you how to do it. One guy made $5,000 today, over $5,000 doing this on one contract. Did real well. So if you got any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to help you. And let's get you started on the lease today.